안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 키마리입니다. So today we're gonna be doing our money concepts, the 4, because if you watched my last video, you see why. Okay, so we have it. I'm gonna show you guys, so let's get it. So this is it. So we're gonna be doing, this is our first one. 오려고 하다. Okay, so let's start writing down right here. I'll be highlighting like everything at once, so at the end of the video I'll like do some highlighting for all the concepts. But now we have to move on to our second one. Okay, so while that's loading, can you guys believe that Cordis is in Toronto? Yeah, so they're in Toronto for their Put Your Phone Down tour. So I hope you guys have a good time if you're going. I'm so jealous, but I'm gonna get more opportunities hopefully. Okay, it's done. So let me show you guys the screen. So guys, this is the next one. Okay, let me scroll. It's 보다. So let's see. So we're gonna be doing this. So see you guys when I'm done. Number 1. Okay, to show before I show number 1, like what I've written, I'm gonna explain something. So some people who are watching my videos might be like, oh, what's the point of your video? You're not even teaching us. Well, technically the point of my video is to show you guys how I'm learning and like show you guys like the concepts I'm covering, not to teach you guys necessarily, because if you haven't watched my other videos, you'd know that on Fridays, sorry I've been missing a lot of Fridays, I really apologize for that, but on Fridays I go through every concept I learned in level 1, because I'm now in level 2 now. I teach you guys like from level 1 since I've already passed it. So I think it only makes sense to like teach you guys once I've already passed that level. Well, that's why I do that. So like the videos are just for like, or not for like necessarily like deep learning, but just like seeing bits and like knowing like how I learn and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I wrote. It's kind of slanted again, but not as bad as the other ones. So we're gonna move on to conjugation rules. 활용 규칙. So we're gonna move on to that one. And some people might notice my pronunciations. So I've been using Twitter for like my pronunciations, but like it's been a roller coaster using that app. So my pronunciations have declined and like my accent and like my speaking, but to help you guys understand and like actually say correctly, I'm gonna start using it again. But I also watch like a lot of K-dramas, so I'm gonna take a pause on like pronouncing Korean words in my videos until I can like get back to the level I was before. So I'm just gonna be pointing out like what I'm talking about, so I don't like make you guys say something wrong, you know? Okay, I'm gonna start writing number 2 now, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so number 2 is done. A bit longer, but we still have space for our sentence examples, so let's finish that up. Okay guys, I'm done. Okay, so we just completed our second one. Now time for our third one, so let's get it. Okay guys, so we have our third one. So when I'm done number 1, I'll show you guys. And also, by the way, my daily vlogs for the summer is gonna start again tomorrow. Okay guys, so 1 and 2 is now done. Now left for 3. Well, this is 3 for the sentence examples. So let's get it. Okay guys, number 3 is done. Okay, so that concludes concept number 3. So let's move on to our final concept before we end the video. Guys, so this is the fourth one. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Number 1. Okay guys, I just finished. So now let's do number 2. This one over here. The conjugation rules. Okay, let's get it. But before that, look at my amazing OT7 pictures of hyper I have on my desk. Okay, so I finished number 2. Now let's do number 3. Okay guys, all done. So now we're done all the concepts. We're going to take some time highlighting it. So we'll start with our first concept that we covered today and work our way down to number 1. So I'll be showing the first one when it's done. Okay, first one done. Now let's do the second one. Second one done. Next, the third one. Third one is done. Now the last one. The last one is done as well. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye, annyeong.